In this video we are talking about if HBAR is going to the upside or if we see the crash to the downside. As you can see, we are on the weekly chart right now and we are between two very interesting areas. On the one hand, we have this demand zone right here which caused this bullish move to the last all-time high. From the down to the top we saw a move about 1900%. And on the other hand, we have the supply zone right here which caused the last bearish move to the downside. And as we go on the daily chart, you can see this interesting structure right here. From this supply zone right here, we saw this move down here to this demand zone where we built our last low right here. Then we saw the push to the supply zone. We saw this liquidity grab with this wick right here. And then we saw again this bearish move, but we didn't make a lower low. We made a higher low. And then we saw this move to this smaller demand zone right here. We also saw the liquidity grab and the bearish move to the downside. And now we are at the prices right now. So the question is, what will happen for HBAR? So I think it looks way more bearish because we are seeing lower highs all the way and we are seeing much bearish momentum to the downside from this highs. And if we are seeing this low right here or this low, we don't see a very strong bullish reaction, because if this demand zone here is strong, we had to break this supply zone to the upside. But we saw the big reaction with this wick right here and didn't make a higher high. And the last retest of this demand zone caused just this little bullish move to the upside, but we are down seeing a strong bullish structure right now. So if we are not breaking this high to the upside, I think the chance that we are crashing to the downside is very high. And as you can see, we had this break of structure right here. We had our last low right here, which caused this new high, and then we broke the structure to the downside. And if we are now breaking this purple support to the downside, I think that we will see lower levels. And if this demand zone right here is not holding, the last support chance is this low right here. So if we are not breaking this high right here to the upside, I would not move into long positions on HBAR. But if we are breaking this resistance to the upside, the chance that we are moving to this supply zone is very high. But if anything interesting happens for HBAR, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on HBAR. So we are in a bearish structure right now and we don't see very much bullish power from HBAR. So I think the chance that we are seeing the crash is way higher than we are seeing a bullish move to the upside. Here you can see again all interesting areas. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. I wish you great profits in trading and see you in the next one.